Today I'm going to show you how to access your EnVision online at home. The first thing that you're going to need to do in order to access EnVision is to go to the Washoe County School District website. Once you're there, you're going to find the Students and Parents tab at the top of the page. Then you're going to go down to the very end of the E section and you'll see EnVision Mathematics. This is where you're going to sign in to EnVision. In order to sign in, what you're going to do is you are going to enter your school email address as your username and the password that you have set up for your computer as the password. Your school email address is your student ID followed by @washoeschools.org. Once you do that, you'll be directed to a page that looks similar to this. I have more options because I do have access to all of my classes. You'll just have the option for your algebra class. Once you're there, you're going to go to the right-hand side where it says Learning Systems and click on the SAVVAS Realize link. Once there, you're then going to be in your dashboard. This dashboard looks a little bit different than your dashboard, again, because I have teacher's access. However, it does have information for you to complete your assignments. The assignments that I'm going to be putting up here are assignments that are video help. You'll see it's going to be called Virtual Nerd assignments. These video assignments are just for you to watch at home for a little extra feedback on how to complete the homework that you'll be doing at home. If you click on the tab on the right, you'll have some access to various content based on what we're learning. You can go ahead and look through. If we're on topic 1, you can look at topic 1. If we're on topic 2, you can look at topic 2, so on and so forth, okay? Your virtual nerd assignments are not going to be graded, but it's pretty helpful when you're trying to learn something new. I definitely recommend coming into EnVision each digital learning day and seeing if there's any videos that you can watch to help support your learning. In order to access this easily, instead of having to go through the Washoe County School District website, I recommend going to this first login page and creating a tab up at the top or a bookmark so that it's easy for you to click on. You can see that I have an EnVision Mathematics bookmark that no matter where I'm at, if I'm at Google, I can click on the EnVision Mathematics bookmark. It takes me directly to this page. In order to create that bookmark, all you have to do is go to the right of the URL and you'll find a star. When you click on that star, it gives you the option to add the bookmark. It auto-fills the name of the website, and all you have to do is make sure that it's under the bookmarks bar. Once you click that and press done, you'll now have a bookmark to go to very easily to help you log into EnVision. If you have any questions on how to log into EnVision or what to do with some of the assignments, please make sure to contact your child's teacher and ask them specifically what it is that you need help with. I hope this video was helpful and have a wonderful evening.